Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Samiha Ijaz, and today I'm going to brief you how to register yourself for Amazon Advertising Certification Program. First, you need to open Google page and you need to write Amazon Learning Console. This is going to direct you on the page. Then you need to sign in over here. But since I'm already registered, so I'll go directly on resources. Under resources, you can see this heading training. Under that, you can see subheading learning console. You need to click on learning console. On this interface, you need to click on get started. You can see over here trending courses. These are all the courses you need to complete in order to take your assessments. You need to click over here, Sponsored Ad Certification. On this page, they are going to ask you that whether you have completed all these courses, learn about sponsored ad types, target your sponsored ad campaign, set up a sponsored ad campaign, interpret your sponsored ad performance, optimize your sponsored ad campaign, optimize for retail readiness. If you have completed all these courses, then you can have a survey, and after that you can take an assessment which is going to last for 2 hours, and it has 60 MCQs. So since I've already taken my assessment and I've scored 91%, so it's giving me the results over here. So it's not a difficult one. The assessment is not a difficult one if you have gone through all the courses. And the pulse check, what is a pulse check? Actually, pulse check is there in every course to check whether you have gained the knowledge or not. And there are some scenarios over there. You need to learn those scenarios. So if you have done all the courses nicely with the pulse check and scenarios, you can easily take the assessment and can score good marks. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this is going to help you and get your certifications done.